How to create a double exposure quotes post in Photoshop. Let's start it. Open Photoshop and import images. Click on Select in the menu. Choose Subject to automatically select the main subject. Press Ctrl+J. Add the cityscape image. Rotate it to fit. And right-click to create a clipping mask. Resize and position the cityscape images needed. Select the Easer tool and choose Soft Easer. Right-click on the layer and select Merge Layers. Add a black and white adjustment layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Adjust the color to achieve the desired effect. Right-click on the layer and select Merge Layers. Click on the Shape tool. Create a black rectangle shape. Place the shape behind the main object. Select the Text tool. Write your quotes. Choose a font, adjust the size and spacing. Change the text color to yellow. Import an image of buildings. Place the image behind all layers and adjust its size. Open layer styles for the buildings. Set fill opacity to 16%, overall opacity to 72%. Apply a drop shadow with customized settings. Select all layers. Right-click and choose Merge All Layers. Choose Noise greater than Add Noise. Set the amount to 11.07 and click OK. Add a color lookup adjustment layer. Choose the Teal Orange Plus Contrast preset. Image is done. And there you have it, a captivating double exposure quotes post. Feel free to experiment with different images and settings to make it uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating!